How to connect Shopify with eBay. Hey everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to do that. It is very simple, so let's just go and get to it. Now in order to continue you only need two different things. First, your Shopify store, and second, you basically just need an eBay account. So if you don't have one, just go ahead and create it right now and then just go ahead and continue on with the video. So we're just going to start from Shopify's side of things. So first we will need to just go to the App Store. So just go to apps, add apps, click on Shopify App Store, and then we simply just want to look up Shopify Marketplace Connect. So it's going to be this one right here, Shopify Marketplace Connect by Shopify. Go ahead and click on install, and just go ahead and click on install one more time. After that, we simply just want to locate eBay and click on Connect Account next to it. Go ahead and read through this and just click on acknowledge and continue. So this is just going to open up this page for you to log into your eBay account. So make sure you connect your eBay account here and continue on with the rest of the settings. So for this option, you simply just want to select which marketplace you want to list items for within eBay. You can change it at any point really. So just go ahead and pick whichever one works for you. And you can just go and stick to the first one. It does not have to be the same as your location. So it's completely fine, and you can just click on submit afterwards. Once that's done, you simply just want to click on next here. This is just going to confirm your username. And then here we are just going to click on next one more time. So for this one, I'm just going to leave it as edit and marketplace connect and click on next. And now for the order import settings. So for the first one, import orders by the order type, I'm just going to keep it as this. So only orders with linked products to Shopify basically. And for the import orders when, I'm going to go for the pending, so it syncs as soon as a sale happens. For the taxes, I'm just going to keep it as allow eBay to do the taxes automatically for me basically. And click on finish. And just like that, you have your eBay account now connected to your Shopify account. Now you can go to the settings tab from the Marketplace Connect and adjust many different things, including the things that we already set up, like the auto sync options and so on. And finally, to actually list items to eBay, you simply just want to go to the listings tab, where you're going to be able to find all the different products that you have on your Shopify store. And you are going to be able to just list them. It's very simple. Just select whichever product that you actually want here. You can see the listing status is inactive for both of them. I'm just going to use this one as a sample product. If you click on it, you're going to have a lot of listing options here, or not options, but details that you will need to fill in. And once you're ready to go, you simply just want to click on enabled and save. And now if you just go back to listings, refresh the actual page, we can see that it is inactive, but it is in blue, meaning it is publishing. So it's just going to take a little bit of time. And after that, you're simply just going to be able to see it on eBay if you just click on it one more time, and you're going to be able to view it from Shopify's point of view and also see on eBay. Simply click on that, but it's not ready yet, so it's not really going to do anything here for us. But anyways, this is pretty much how to connect Shopify with eBay. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.